Welcome to SC Custom Designs, or shall I say, Designs. All right, so we now have our official first experience in routering out using this system here. This is the Interlock Signmaker's template from Rockler. I'm not sponsored by Rockler, but follow the series where I unbox it and talk about, well, we don't have enough letters, for example, and those types of things. So let's try to give the pointers real quick. Pointer number one, have lots of light. Number two, have anything you've got available to suck up that extra dust. It generates a lot of dust. So it happens that I have a Rockler, what is this thing called? Dust right, and it holds various sizes of hoses. It's barely holding on to this one here for my Craftsman shop vac. But you definitely want to have that. You want air protection, and you don't want to be aggressive. Let me make sure you can see what I'm saying here. You don't want to be aggressive when, sorry about that, when you put your router bit in, okay? Don't go very far above this bridge. And I'll tell you why. At least for me, I mean, because I have no experience. This is the first thing I did. I routed out that C. It's good that they make this material so it just comes right away, but that was very easy to do. I mean, I think I could have done that over and over again. So take it from me. What you're going to want to do is take very little material away. You want this unit here, which is the bushing, okay, with lock nut, you want that to be able to sit down in, even the bare minimal, sit down inside the letter. And so that's the tip. So that's the sacrificial letter. We'll just set them aside over here. Ironically, I got extra letters. Guess which letters? C's and S's. Because this is SC Custom Designs. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and route this out. Oh, some more tips for you. When you lower this into the cavity here, and for example with the S, think about the rotation of the router bit. You're going to want to eat into that path. So it's turning this way. You're going to want to start at the top and work your way down like this. When you're moving through the template, don't try to keep this the entire time, you know, like this, in this orientation. Why? You're going to find it's very hard to do. I let the router take its own course. There's times I'm doing something just like this, okay? I just let the router take the lead as it's eating through material. Another thing is this tape, which is a necessary evil, is absolutely in the way. You can see that I've been pulling it up as I go along. That being said, another tip is go nice and slow and gentle. Don't force the router bit through the templates, because these are, okay, they're strong enough, but they're going to contort if you push too hard against the sides, right? Slow way down when you get to, for example, this N. You got these points here. It'll be very easy to lift your router up on it and take that right out, or just go right into it and dent it. And it's not going to be, you know, it'll be a while until I get comfortable using the system. So I had that right here with the M, and I have these points. I could see that I dented the top of the M here. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. So without further ado, I'm going to make a lot of noise, turning on the shop vac. And let's go ahead and try to do this. Try to do it without getting in your way too much. Now, I don't have, you know I'm going to order it now, the dust collecting system for this. I'm definitely going to get it. By the way, using this this system is a really, really smart concept. So the plunge router, this gives you a lot of control when you are trying to set everything. So, but we're not so much talking about that as we are this. Let's get on with it. Okay, so the unfortunate part of the deal here is that you really got to take your time, and if you've got diagnosed ADD like myself, you know that's going to be very painful for me. But in order to do it right and not sacrifice the templates, because I'm going to eat through them, I'm pretty confident I could eat through them very easily. So you just want to take your time. Thanks for watching. The next, I told you I'd take you out the camera because I wanted to show you. I did this in 2 passes, okay? How far down I went on the S. Okay, hopefully get an idea. Here is not going far down, here, and here is going down far. All right, so that was a mistake. Don't be aggressive. Just take your time. Another thing I would recommend is, you see how there is a black line around the letters? So, and here there isn't. I have a way better idea what I've actually routed, because I went ahead and I used this to just go ahead and fill in, just trace the outside. I actually penned in everything, markered in everything. But that was just, well, that was a blessing. because I didn't realize that was going to help me out in this process. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget, we're doing that giveaway. Soon you won't have to hear me talk about this anymore. And you'll probably be thankful. But this chestmate dovetail jig, I'm giving it away free. You just have to pay the shipping. Do a search on my channel for chestmate dovetail jig. Maybe even throw the free giveaway into that text as well. Send me a text. Just put a comment and then put a thumbs up and say, I want to win that thing. Something like I want. And then March 2nd, that's the last day that you can actually put in for it. And then we'll go ahead and we'll pick a winner and it'll be in your house. So who doesn't want something free, right? The second thing we're giving away is a dovetail marker jig. And then the third thing we're giving away in 2021 is a mini mag. Okay, this guy here. So these are all brand new units. I just have never used them. This I got an extra one. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. God bless. Hopefully you're having fun. Love to hear your stories on your first adventure into sign making using a template system.